Hello students, I wish you a very good morning and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our fourth chapter, that is basic geometric concepts. Okay students, so in the previous video already we have discussed about that what is the quadrilaterals, what are the adjacent sides, adjacent angles, opposite sides. Yes, okay. But now today we will discuss another one geometrical figure, that is circle. Do you know that circle students? Yes, you are known preparing the chapati. What is the shape of this? This is on a circle. Yes, so different shapes are there. You have in your daily life you have seen that, and you have to collect that what are the shape. Okay, so but students, what is that circle? Today we are going to discuss, and especially what are the parts of the circle, and also we are going to learn about that. Different parts of the circle are there: radius, center of the circle, diameter, chord, segment. Different parts of that circle parts are there. We have to learn. Okay, so let us start that. First of all, what is that a circle? Students, circle, what is the definition? A circle is a set of points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point always remain constant. That means circle, what do you mean by circle? Circle means it is set of points. How like that line, segment, line, like that. These are also whenever we are making that set of points with that, and that set of points are on equidistance. That means on fixed distance from a point, on a fixed point. So actually whenever we are finding that one particular fixed point, from that to on fixed distance, equal distance with it, if that points if you arrange on a plane, that we can say that is circle. ठीक है, देखो क्या होगा. What is that circle? See students, this is one circle. I have arranged so many points, infinite points. This is there. These are the infinite points are there. These infinite points are arranged on a plane. Suppose it is 5 board. This is one plane. ठीक है. These infinite points I have arranged. Yes. How? Now it is one from fixed point. This is suppose O. This point is a fixed distance. A fixed point, and that particular distance, every point same distance from here to here, how much here to here same. All points are same distance will be arranged. That we have covered. Then it is called as a circle. Okay. So now we will discuss about the different parts of the circle. This circle having that on different parts. Okay. What are that? Like first point is what is that? Center of the circle. Okay. Second one is radius, diameter, yes, chord, and different segments, sector. We will discuss one by one. So let us see first of all what is that the center of the circle. Center of the circle means there is one fixed point on the circle. Okay, which one is equidistant from the circle. Okay, that means here you have to observe that this is one fixed point. Okay, in the circle there is one fixed point that is called as what is the center of the circle. The fixed point O is the center of the circle. Here one O is there, friends. You can observe that here. Here one point is there, and this point name is O. O is represented as the center of the circle. Did you understand, friends? This point as the center of this circle. That's why it is called as a center of the circle. Okay. Next, second one is radius of circle. Though, what is that radius? Friends, whenever we will join that one line segment center to the circle, that is called as a radius. ठीक है, क्या करना है देखो, एक here से मतलब from the line segment we will join from the center to circle. याद रखो को कितना रेडियस हम कर सकते हैं, infinite radius. Here this point to this point if we join that whatever the line segment it will form, these are the radius. Did you understand, friends? Infinite radius we can draw. That means what is that radius definition? The line segment is formed by the joining of the center of the circle to the center to the circle. That means the center of the circle to the circle, this boundary. If we join one line segment, that is called as a radius. Okay. So write down that what is the definition? The line segment joining the center of the circle to the any point on the circle, any point on that on it. कौन सा एक point को join करेंगे? मतलब you can understand here I have drawn that this is one circle, this is center, any point here you keep suppose B. Now join to B को O. Okay, this is OB is one radius. If another one point I will choose C and C coadjuvant, that is called as a radius. OA, OB, OC, OD, so many infinite radius are there of a circle. OA is the radius of the circle, OB is the radius of the circle, OC is the radius of the circle. That means any line segment if you join to the center of the circle to the, what is that on it? That means circle. Any point of the circle, center of the circle to the any point of the circle, if you join, that line segment is called as a radius of the circle. Okay. Now we will discuss about that. What is that diameter? Okay, students. Diameter, what is that? Now, it is also one line segment which one passing through the center of the circle. Okay. Which one is passing through the center of the circle and ends should be on the circle. Okay. क्या होना है? Now suppose this is one circle, ठीक है, and we can draw one line segment, ठीक है. If you draw one line segment, this is, and that should be passes through the center of the circle. That line segment should be passes through the center of the circle, and two ends should be on the circle. That means suppose this is end, this is end. So this should be A, this should be B. That means on the circle should be. Then that is called as a diameter. Okay. The line segment passing through the center of the circle. The line segment passing through the center of the circle. If you draw like this, it is not passing through the center of the circle. So hence it is not a diameter. That line which are passing through the center of the circle, that should be, and having its end point on the circle, and should be that both end points should be on the circle. Okay, that is called as a diameter. Okay, and what is the relation of the diameter and radius? Now diameter is equal to 2 into radius, 2 times. याद रखो. What is the relationship between the diameter and radius? Now diameter is equal to 2 into radius, 2 into radius, or radius is equal to radius if you will find out to diameter by 2 also हम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? It is a relation between radius and diameter. ठीक है? Now we will discuss about that. What is that chord of a circle? Do you know that chord of a circle, or chord we can say? According to your pronunciation, we can say that also chord of the circle. The line segment are formed. One line segment is formed by joining any two points of the circle. मतलब ये circle में कौन सा दो point को हम join कर देंगे, तो उसको बोलते हैं हमें chord. Did you understand, friends? हमें circle अभी हमें देखा है, इधर का circle suppose I will draw here one circle. ये center कौन सा भी दो पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करो. इधर एक पॉइंट हमने लिया A, इधर एक पॉइंट लिया B. ये दो पॉइंट को हम ज्वाइन करेंगे. इधर एक पॉइंट लिया C, इसको एक पॉइंट लिया D. ये ज्वाइन कौन सा दो पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करेंगे सर्कल में, एनी टू पॉइंट्स विल ज्वाइन, एंड दैट लाइन सेगमेंट इज कॉल्ड एज अ chord. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन? द लाइन सेगमेंट फॉर्म्ड बाय द जॉइनिंग एनी टू पॉइंट्स ऑफ द सर्कल इज कॉल्ड इट्स chord. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रेंड्स? एनी टू पॉइंट्स, कौन सा भी दो पॉइंट, इधर एक पॉइंट लिया, इधर का पॉइंट लिया, ज्वाइन करें, वो जो लाइन सेगमेंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज chord. दिस इज आल्सो chord. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? CD also chord of the circle. Did you understand? Yes. What is that? Again, one very important point. What is that largest chord of the circle? Now, the diameter is the largest chord of the circle because that line is passing through the center of the circle. This is also one chord. Suppose this is K, this is L. So, if KL is also largest chord of the circle, and that is also called as a diameter of the circle. So, diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Did you understand, friends? I hope you have understand what is that circle, what is that center of the circle, what is that radius, what is that diameter, what is that chord, and you have studied that about this circle points. And next we will discuss about that what is that sector, what is that segment. These are all the remaining parts we will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.